Good morning everybody, myself Acharya Vishvendra, and today I'm going to discuss a worksheet on mind-brain algorithm. So let's begin with the worksheet. So here is the question that mind-brain system is the secret to GN it. To understand it, let's solve a question. A dipole is given to you and at a certain point there is a point P dash which is at an angular position theta. We need to find theta for which electric field is along y-axis. So we just resolve the dipole moment along this line and perpendicular to this line. So along this electric field is E1, along this it is E2. If this angle is theta, this will also be theta. So we take the components. So electric field will be along y-axis if this part is equal to this. So we can say that E1 cos theta is E2 cos 90 minus theta. So solving these equations, we have theta is equals to tan inverse of root 2. So one thing is using this solution, another is using direct result that at theta is equal to tan inverse root 2, electric field is perpendicular to the dipole moment. Another question is direction of electric field at 0, 0, z. So we can see that along z axis, it is perpendicular to the dipole moment. So electric field will be opposite to this. So this will be like this. Next is electric field at 0, 0, z. So it will be minus kp by z cube. Then we have 3 points 0, 0, a, 0, a, 0, 0, 0, a. Electric fields are E1, E2 and E3. We need to find angle between E1 and E2. So we can say E1 is here, E2 is here, so the angle is 180 degree. E1 and E3 also angle is 180, E2 and E3 angle is 0. So you can solve this question if you have access to higher frequency brainwave functions, or more explicitly your mind-brain system is able to resonate at higher frequencies, which is the code to crack competitive exam. So we can analyze that 3 things are needed to crack a question: information, process and energy or emotions. Information is the facts, process is of thinking, pattern formation and solution designing, and energy or emotions are generally concerned with the negative vibes, because positive vibes are not needed to be concerned. So using this triode, there is a certain system which is called as the information processing system, which is the fundamental basis of success in competitive exams. So if you are really preparing for competitive exams and aspiring to crack it out, first of all is make sure you work on your mind-brain system. You are able to gradually develop the higher brainwave functions of the mind-brain system. Only then you will be able to coordinate or to crack the competitive exam, to solve the questions asked in the competitive exams. Otherwise you will just struggle with thoughts, emotions or energies. And do remember this triode, the triode of information, process and energy or emotion. And using this triode, you have to develop information processing system, which is the fundamental basis of cracking any competitive exams.